Peace FM 104.3. Wutumi Take.
Yesi abwano umpiewia kwa. Ntuhwe anope ya yaboko jan ya na bibi ehia Ghana for na because we share about 18 civil society organizations. And then this as a major political party. Until the end of Kumasa, and this in Kwasem. A Ghana for Omoankasa Edo Omasoto form, a boom quinta, a share Jumedia electoral commission, a new voter register ya opposite debate. In you know, say, Kay Fakwan for so. Eko to abaye betima den abo anyana am so nkomo de wati bibiri amount for advance segment bibiri intimi repeat insane bibiri but Kumasi won to see an say ye pese atin to sukoko Emma electoral commission who say all is not well in some more can ye anchichimo de babia no eni nyina so bia den ye adwom de ye hu say nyina so no aye voter register na ye ko to about 2016 no the case de kwakoto abana ye hu funso kese bi eden ewum any infidel am kase ya obsolete asay and just some maintenance cost no be say na dadan okay kan nyene si ani na wo hwa sika na ye de kwakoshe new voter register no man any ohawo oman ye wo ono chese bi ohawo no be free so enana chen de bi be nya ohawo de but I say prioritize your needs about ye be kwa na sensation be low hanging fruit ne me be fi say me di kan ye we ya den e beboa me a chan say me di mani kodi me be chi a e di sunsun so kesi beba na abisa di bi koso Ghana fo ene mo samtwefo bebre nya for madwen koso okay so me segmentation say nyina ga okay any Ghana for no mu bi
who got the Ghana for no mo say job as a job for
you say you prophet you may ya
me
okay any Ghana for no bi and last week me say Professor Tifu say a Ghana card no am send per 70 million
that be 7.6
million me boy eti omodie omnu sanko for na Ghana for we share difference betan ba me say ebi mu ye below 18 for 15 years for the neck ho it is all migrated that information easy and kenye problem then ema no when me say Ghana card no kwa kwaji a you say we dey either our birth set and our passport and e be come boy after that no
na obi be di adansi ho
adansi obi di adansi ma after that no so what driver's license or voter ID
or Senate card,
national insurance, esa wo de ko Senate card say de what number de nyina be good card ne so to going forward no ye migrate nyina ko a single platform so even ko use ka ko ATM machine wo hia o ATM card ne bio o kwa ye bibi ko to pa da chia sem ne kan yo wo hia voter ID bio because our identity no e wo so ye Ghana ni card no 10 years no etwam akwa na eri no information no den eda so ho na se CIA electoral commission say e down deal say ye po obetwe register no foforo no mi wa sa Ghana aye voter ID no me dia akọ register Ghana card ya peke ne number it uba sesa voter ID na in this case no sa information na ewo Ghana card omo data base ho no ye be ne den who say fair drink ho because you see me no can say and na hwe papers him
say anopa utie nkoma amene Dr. Ej awoye consultant IT Edema electoral commission kasa o say electoral commission timu poni say ye bedru baabia NIA for betimi atro din ni nyina wi ombe ye system na be pepepe no na ontro din bio but se si aye kasa enuru ho
na be kire say almost say the new register near down deal from Yisimeboa. And a registration is ongoing. Menoka Soma started Central, Western Region, and Western North. Menoka says CA. And the conference says a conference here. Kamimanum register me. A person can register a paying for a car, no say by a Yinkudila. So now I for a 27 to
register. I said we see Parliament, I want register.
A 27 my mass registration.
See Parliament now, register. Also on Chro.
No, my mass registration. And they say no.
Amba, everybody, my Parliament, one.
Na young queen.
Hold live here mo. Na live here.
Sasu ka. No. Now why 7 dey kan ha. What I say? E to mo medical register pa 7.5 no. Omo di voter ID na ekuta mo no. Akodada. Ya capture that information no. Wo omo card no so. It is say sa consistent sa voter ID na. Me question is say you be anything. Nothing yes I go back to National Education Authority. Akwasisa sa information na. Wey I'm say you fire adwenin course so. These are some of the challenges you catch the Electoral Commission they should listen slowly. Because so we say nipa bi awu the register is overbloated. It's young travel from the travel for there a budget about 10% excess budget amoye in terms of printing materials now that they know a cost to us. The guarantee be na watch say your register no match ni wie and April ni wie up to December no irin pa do be wu. Den na lipa be wu. And nobody can rise up from the grave and come back to vote. It will wu. Obi awu some may be no bit man so ba beto aba. Let's put in place mechanism. Going forward and they be able to then a clean system na those dead people no and no be if you say be a crime be so in so ba register no so no e nipa na free so. Na dem one pass cardinal eminent advisory committee and a commission form kwesi aye short
committee
me short da no omani electoral commission for kwesi no unso mo issue statement omo se ye nyina no should make calm na electoral commission omonya further consultation na mo share IPAC na yehu the position of the commission summit ni nyama so abotoye no mo se ye ma ye bonto ye mu no ya test okay mpanyfo makasa de ye twen summit no de be se no meeting ni nyama so and the electoral committee say register ni ye down deal na fede na ye nya abotan twen de bi o
sa demonstration amokon ne mo hihenda ben
demonstration no say it is also because now they will to say about demonstration. Now come say that you know say we nyame tia some here. Then we go ahead and do it.
Because minim say last week Thursday and eminent committee now kind on this release no babo.
Aye.
The free Thursday be seen na much my share demonstration.
No, my me tell asem no. Before so eminent advisory committee be share no. Yeah, I just say any other society organizations ye be demonstration ye indicate say e be ko so Kumase Nkran Koforidua Tamale Cape Coast hinya de ye plan no o cha say na mo mpanyifo ne kasa no na bibi kasa okay say bibi sa na be ko so there there's no need say kwakwa demonstration eti om sabeka say that na trigger this action. Oh, now says the book and say original plan I ain't this so because you can't say be that
atoso na papa bi I'll be tinifi no ya and atremu fie mi no so papa no me kan hwe nti fie mi no na e kire no ko no so ka che dai matomo so papa na sam ni me bi so na watom woni trim
That's a good one.
See, your master plan dey na ho dada. Only dey trim dada. Eti afuto ni dey na ka ye je afuto na tum. Twesa park be hia. Na nyina no ye ho asem no poma sibre. Who here say dan dey na say we want respected decision of the committee. Na engagement no mo se mo engage ye no. Na say mo dey no my imagine say dem ba ya na den. Mbe mabo ye fitanduku. It is said demonstration and a cost na Ghana for so one can report and catch us say nipa to go abonten so omo nyina so e Ghana for register no so omo nyina din be komu bi na omo so catch us say ye kwan ye nya nsuo no ye nya house to nko aban ne me be say aban de ma eye man no ontim fa nko even ye nya nko pono so na kokropo na ya fokropo no be 3 months ni omo ka tu aban nya sika ntua MP na ti hey common fan on pa banjiji sika third quarter of 2022 common fund MPC common fund abantimi ntua bisa na on to say to sika na mana ye tua ama assembly no MP de kakra no po no abanye sika ntua and no question very graphic anymore. Ghana Revenue Authority report is almost CD revenue target by 3.02%. Now revenue now wajijia emra article 252 show say on second sikana you not less than 5%. Emma common confide administrator no chairman. So why see the target? I don't know what you common fan no. Because we by law. Ube catch say mo about so say on second sikana we tax revenue. I don't know common fan na emra show no untimi ntua.
Ti move kuma say ambokoyin.
You do some bridge so I be cross so never catch them more baby ebeko we any one na ye adwuma no iti cardinal the electoral commission teaching 33 na all year no ye wo less than 12 months to go for these elections and American raise one critical matter I share one say e bi mo de ka kwetwo mudin age Ghana card na da omo the voter ID information na kogu so awie
enye obia na the voter ID show din
a part of the requirement what I say unless we catch you say
disputes about them person chance the way we can every mo bia adwan say obia when ya Ghana card bia the voters ID na
me catch them say omo me Ghana card ko be 15 years omo no nto aba it automatically no oni voter ID into ye ka 7.5 or 7.2 na sankrofo no enka omo de voter ID ko ye no and omo register post no epu ade ne di ayira wan fanko. But the way I part of the requirement, I say majority of them they be call. Say nipa tempo, ene they be kwa. Okosisa, aye voter register no. Efe no most call any office. Akosisa this information na. No technology, advance. Eti you say your system aye nyina betuma ya system no say e be ya hoto so. Ama oni eje oje say we was MPP position on this matter since 2014. Exercise. 2014 I'm starting can say I'm paying register me boy. And this week I say register no boni bi enim ye fan koto aba no. Nti yes position on this matter and say and no take na lose elections na gitum because ya say problem bi then any register no. Omo na mo say nipa be 72,000 Togolese e wo register no. Na my 10%. E be si net Dr. Bawumia ntimi fan kan no MI. Report omo say STL for edema mo be si net political party bi no mom copy say report way and a consultant na den we instrument ye nyina yen ka bi ni hu say achinya age nkropo na emfa so bi e be sin na e so bi motuo mo pese nsa beka na sa wo ye referee na say ye nyina no ye kwa I can see MPP NDC na wo referee no o ye nema bi a me opponent no me say me ntase a say wo nya grounds bi den e chiche ma meji wasem to na wo nya treaty we can say a parliament approve 390 million I can into no ready to go. Parliament then see what if you ye debate man not to say you support to the 443 million now you allocated for new register no.
But ma pass it.
We were not part of it.
Ma pass.
But the name parliament no a man not down. And then all the time a majority no
or say approval.
Me wana me cheche no. And all the time and the majority near right.
Men cancer. But as man business.
We were not minority in parliament. We're not part of the process.
Did you approve the parliament? Approve it.
The
parliament approved it.
We boycotted it.
No. That's not a question. Has parliament approved the 440 million?
Enti adia kasaba ho.
Honorable BA, Master Minister.
Parliament approve.
Parliament
approve. But adia no. Nanati. Ya ambele consensus on it. What I say? Appropriation na abandoned by 98 billion abandoned by no. There was a consensus on it. Yeji to me boy. Abansi Boko Bobo say 18 billion. Yeji to mu. Abansi interest payment 21 billion. Yeji to mu. All the ministries budget on the ban. Yeji to including one castle ministry yeji to. And then the electoral commission they say why yeji to.
But as far as I know, say parliament approve.
But we did not be consensus on it. Another problem, no. Until you have to sit back and ask yourself, say, and then now all the agencies on budget are the queen, no parliament jitumu. Now, a buy young queen there called special budget committee, no. Accept a bar.
One more question, I mean, call honorable entry. So, you know, want me and build a consensus in our parliament that pass here, no. Kana a donkumanon kahona Emma. Passing on passing Jomuji 2 muno enimuana. Sir, assemble when the court court is the hazard of parliament.
the disagreement. Now I share the views of the minority or the opposing side. Second, be the consensus there. In the court rules, Marco Jadia to the court. It's parliament I to the mini business beer. But young to me to know. Sasamba the court will read the minds of the minority. Say, dear Intina minority no someone to say.
So you mean minority Jaman to maintain Emma, Giamuji to Enya Papa, illegal.
And you complete set up profile in a profile cano. And money you complete. As someone home. And can't be here then. I home.
And then CS. To make us.
Let me just say, ministers are what you budget to be in a young Santo Quano. It won't quote the assemble a co Santo. What you say? Nanya Menina is Sweden. A month for Nina. The trust about the consensus because a national issue. It is so would see. Educate here, Ebi says, I didn't know you were about 200 agencies. Will be a budget to the emoji tomb. Now, me come there the Asamohom. Okay, yes, it's say A, B, C, D. Now, what church room, I'm a not to yasum, near Jiwatum. Now, who can what take entering position say, with the Wakan or Wakandia, and you're everything to Sukoko Jachero.
Martin.
Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.